Friends, you can now back up and restore data from a previous version of HubSpot. Check this out. So here I am on my settings page, and if you come to the backup section, you'll see a couple of tabs here. These are two different betas. You'll need to opt into both. But on backup data, you can click the Create a Backup button to create a backup of your contacts, companies, conversations, deals, tickets, custom objects, products, calls, and tasks. And you can download a zip file of all these CSV files to do that. And then, of course, you can import those back in. But now there's also the ability to restore data from a particular save point. So you can choose the data to restore, click the button, and it'll automatically roll it back. One important difference between these two options, the automatic restore only rolls back property values, takes them back to their previous state. If records have been deleted since the last time you restored, you're going to want to download your backup and import it back in, and it will recreate those deleted records. This is now in beta. If you have a starter or professional account, you can create backups once a week. If you have an enterprise account, you can create one every 24 hours. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.